Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can remove the search bar on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys, I'm right now on my store. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the left and then click on online store. Once you click on online store, make sure that you're right here in themes. Once you're here, if you scroll down, you're going to find some popular free themes. You can add any theme that you like, and then you can change to that theme. So firstly, come here next to customize and click on these three dots. Once you click on these three dots, you can preview the site from here. So we're going to open a new tab so we can see this page. And if you click on this search icon, as you can see, guys, we still have the search bar. So in order to remove it, go back here and then click on edit code. Once you click on edit code, go now to assets, click on this little arrow and then search for base.css. Once you find it, click on it and then you will find this code. What you need to do, guys, right now is scroll all the way down and then just add the code that will be in the description. So we're gonna go to this line and paste the code. Once you paste the code, just come here and click on save and then wait for it to save. And now, as you can see, guys, we received as it's saved. So what we're gonna do, guys, right now is go back right here to the store page and refresh the page. And now, as you can see, guys, the search icon is gone. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.